Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to delete an Instagram account. While you are using an application in our mobile, you can't able to see the option like deleting the account from Instagram. In this video I am going to show you clearly how to delete an account from mobile while you are using in mobile. If you like this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon for more updates. Let's move into the video. This is the Instagram account which I am using. This is an application which I am using in the mobile. I will touch this. After touching, you will see in this way. I have created a dummy account to show you the example how to delete it. And this is my new account I have created. In this way you can see this is the home button, and in this here you can able to see your account option. I will touch this. After touching this, you can see all the things: post, followers, following, who are you, who you follow, whom, what are the posts you have posted, all the stuff you can see here. If you want to delete this account, please take the backup of all the things you have posted. If any followers details you want, you can take the backup before deleting. Once it has been deleted, you can't able to regain it. Please keep in mind. Now if you go and touch these three lines, you can see like all the activities, all the things you can see here. In this below there is a section called settings. After going to the settings section, you can't able to see any option like deleting the account Instagram. You just can see like a logout from this ID or logout from all the accounts. In the mobile there is an option you can maintain multiple logins, multiple IDs. By using multiple IDs you can able to log in using a single application, single Instagram application. This is the option to log out from all the accounts you are using. I am deleting the account with this name, and if you see there is no any option like and deleting the account, Instagram account. All the other stuff is present like notification, privacy, security. There is an option called account here. If you go to the account also, you can't able to see any option like deleting the account. All the things is present here like your personal information, your activity, all the things here present, but you can't able to see any option like deleting account. I will show you how to delete the account. Just I will go back and I will show you clearly. After opening the Instagram application, you will see this. You have to go to the accounts, your profile. This is the profile. After going to profile, you have to touch the three lines. I am touching it. Then you have to go to the settings section. Settings. Then you can find an option like help. This is the one. Just press that one. After pressing the help, you can see the option like help center. After clicking this, it will redirect you to the browser, web browser, Instagram web browser, where you have to log in again. This help center takes you to the manuals where all the data present about Instagram, how to log in, how to use the Instagram, how to manage your privacy, all the stuff, all the manual of Instagram is present there. It will redirect you to that page. I will click this help center. Look, it is taking you to the browser one. This is the browser. This is a Google Chrome where it has been taken. In this you can see like using Instagram, how to use Instagram, all the stuff, all the manual is present here, all the details present here. You can check all these things if you want. In this you can find using Instagram, how to use Instagram, how to manage your account, how to log in and troubleshooting, how to keep your privacy, all the things here present. In this you can find an option called managing your account. I will clicking the managing account. You can see here option called delete your account. Just clicking this, it will not delete your account. It will show the manual procedure how to delete it. I will click this. Look, here are many options like if you want to temporarily disable it, means in future if you want to open, you can use this option. How do I temporarily disable my Instagram account? Or if you want to delete completely, if you want to delete the complete Instagram account, select this. It will opens all the details how to delete. It will shows the details how to delete. All the procedure it is present here. After clicking it, in this also you can see the temporarily disable option. We don't want this. We have to delete permanently all the stuff present in the Instagram. We'll go there, go up. You can see here an option like how to. This is the manual how to delete. Permanent deletion of your account is a request. In this you can see like go to the delete your account page, but we don't know where the page is present, so it has highlighted this. This is the link. It will directly take you to that page, delete your account page. Just I am clicking this. It is the link, hyperlink. It will take you to some page where you can able to delete the account, but you have to log in first. I am logging in. I am typing my password. After that I am pressing login. Now my account has been opened. I will press this one. Not now. I don't want to save. It will ask why you want to delete this account. No, here it will shows like if you want you can temporarily disable this, but we don't want this to be present. We want the complete delete account option. So it will ask why do you want to delete this one. You can select any one reason. I am saying I don't. I am something. I am selecting something else. After it will ask again to type your password. Retype the option, retype the password, and select. It will shows you notification like you want to really delete this account. Are you sure want to really delete your account? Just click X if you want to delete your account. Okay, no, it has been deleted. It will shows the information like your account will be deleted on January 26th. It will give you a time of 1 month. So you can, if you want to re-log in, you can re-log in. If you don't want, just leave it. It will automatically be deleted. This is the simple way through which you can delete your account. If you want to see how I have made this video by mirroring my mobile to my laptop, I have made another video which app I have used, how I have connected my mobile to this laptop, and how I have recorded all this stuff. I have made another video. You can check this, or you can press the I button which shows up in the YouTube page, YouTube video. There is an option like that is iCard, which I am using. You can click there. You can see the video link. Just click that link. You can see how I have made this video. All the stuff you can see. Thank you for watching. Please comment how you have liked or not all the things. Please comment anything. Please suggest me. Thank you very much.